hearts have been to battle, our souls have been to war. We've lost the will to carry on, don't believe no more. Why is it that we gotta say that this could never happen to us? How long could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken down defense. So sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. Cannot retreat. It used to be so easy, it used to be so good. We have an understanding that got misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down, but now we're just outsiders as our love comes tumbling down. Victims of love, a broken down defense. So sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love,